Agile terms. In this video I'm going to share with you the top 16 Agile terminologies out there that you need to add to your vocabulary. Agile. Agile is a project management approach that describe a mindset of values and principles as set in the Agile Manifesto. It also emphasizes flexibility and collaboration. Scrum. Scrum is an Agile framework that develop and sustain complex products with specific rules, events and artifacts. Kanban. The word Kanban is literally translated as visual sign or card. Kanban in lean manufacturing is a system for scheduling inventory control and replenishment. Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is responsible for ensuring that the practices of Scrum process are implemented. He is also responsible for ensuring that the Scrum team adhere to these practices, and he coaches the team on removing impediments. Sprint. A sprint is a short time interval within a project during which a usable and potentially releasable increment of the product is created. Backlog. A backlog is an ordered list of features to be done. Projects may have a product backlog, a requirements backlog, impediments backlog, and so forth. Items in a backlog are prioritized. The prioritized work is then scheduled for upcoming iterations. User story. A user story is a brief description of an outcome or a feature for a specific user. Impediments. Impediments are problems or obstacles that may be hampering the project team's work. Retrospective. It is an Agile practice that allows the team to learn about, improve, and adapt its process. It helps the team learn from its previous work. It demonstrates one of the Agile principles. At regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. Daily stand-ups. Daily stand-up is a collaboration meeting in which the team reviews progress from the previous day, declares iterations for the current day, and highlights any obstacles encountered. Servant leadership. Servant leadership is concerned with leading through service to the team. It focuses on understanding and addressing the needs and development of team members. It enables the highest possible team performance. Product owner. By working with stakeholders, customers, and the team, the product owner can define the product direction. The work is prioritized by the product owner based on its business value. The product owner creates the backlog with the team. Iterative life cycles allow feedback on partially completed or unfinished work to improve and modify that work. Iterative life cycles improve the product or result through successive prototypes or proofs of concept. Each new prototype yields new stakeholder feedback and team insights. Then, the team incorporates the new information by repeating one or more project activities in the next cycle. Teams may use timeboxing on a given iteration for a few weeks, gather insights, and then rework the activity based on those insights. In that way, iterations help identify and reduce uncertainty in the project. Projects benefit from iterative life cycles when complexity is high, when the project incurs frequent changes, or when the scope is subject to differing stakeholders' views of the desired final product. Iterative life cycles may take longer because they are optimized for learning rather than speed of delivery. Incremental life cycles provide finished deliverables that the customer may be able to use immediately. Agile life cycles leverage both the aspects of iterative and incremental characteristics. When teams use Agile approaches, they iterate over the product to create finished deliverables. The team gains early feedback and provides customer visibility, confidence, and control of the product. Because the team can release earlier, the project may provide an earlier return on investment because the team delivers the highest value work first. Scrumban is an Agile approach originally designed as a way to transition from Scrum to Kanban. As additional Agile frameworks and methodologies emerged, it became an evolving hybrid framework in and of itself where teams use Scrum as a framework and Kanban for process improvement. In Scrumban, the work is organized into small sprints and leverages the use of Kanban boards to visualize and monitor the work. The stories are placed on the Kanban board and the team manages its work by using work-in-progress limits. Daily meetings are held to maintain the collaboration between the team and to remove impediments. A planning trigger is set in place for the team to know when to plan next, typically when the work-in-progress level is lower than a predetermined limit. There are no predefined roles in Scrumban, the team retains their current roles.
You can also see our electronic books, courses, tools and techniques games, and blogs on visualpmpacademy.com. Explore a treasure trove of knowledge and insights in the world of project management at Visual PMP Academy's blog.